To create a Tesco Clubcard in the UK, start by opening a browser and navigating to tesco.com. Click the Register button at the top of the page, which will direct you to a space where you can enter your account details, including your email address and a password. Ensure your password meets the required criteria. It must be between 4 to 25 characters, contain no spaces, and include at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and one number or special character. After creating a strong password, select the option to join Clubcard today. You will then be prompted to provide your personal details, including your first name, last name, phone number, and address. Once you've entered this information, click Create Account. Following account creation, the Tesco team will contact you to verify your identity by requesting your personal details. After verification, you will be able to obtain your Tesco Clubcard in the UK.